guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel and hello if you're new. So tell me, how are you all doing? I really hope you all are doing amazing, and even if you're not, it's gonna be fine, believe me. So today's video is gonna be another shopping haul, and now you must be thinking, why does she shop a lot? Why every other video is a shopping haul? Because hello, I'm a girl. So anyway, so you must have heard of Club Factory app or website. It's such a reasonable website, and everything like from shoes to bags or clothes or anything that you want is so cheap. But I have watched a lot of videos and everyone gave good reviews about the jewelry that they have, and even when I was exploring, I liked the jewelry section better than any other section and any other category that they have. So most of the items that I ordered are from jewelry section. So without further ado, let's go to the video. That was lame. So the first item I picked is what I am wearing, and I'm obsessed with it. So it's a metallic necklace and it has globe and binoculars, and I just love it. Like, it just defines me. I love to travel, and it's me in a necklace, you know, it's me in a necklace. So yeah, I just love it. Exact prices will pop up here or here, anywhere on the screen, because I really don't remember it now. So let's go to the next item. That's not how it came, but yes, now it is like this. So it's a very dainty piece. It just has a heart in the middle. You can see in this picture. It looks really good, and it was, I guess, around 60 or 70 bucks. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal. Like, I really like it. And next item, that is another dainty necklace, and it says love. So you can check how it looks on me. So yeah, it's pretty good. So yeah, another thing that I got is this super pretty ring. Guys, it's so pretty. Can you see it? It really looks good, and I just love it. Love it. So this is how it looks. You can see in this video. Next item that I have is what is it? It's a hand harness kind of thing, and it's very dainty. This thing is a ring, and then it goes like, you can see in this video how it looks on me. So the next item that I have is this silver necklace. It has a heartbeat kind of thing and a little cute heart, and you can see here how it looks on me. I just love all these pieces because these are so dainty and yet so beautiful. I am in love with them. So yeah, if you're going for Club Factory, I will also suggest that you go for jewelry because it's so cheap, and I agree that the quality is not so good, but at the price they're offering everything like 50 to 100 bucks, I think the quality is okay, and you cannot expect more than that. So next item that I got is this handbag, and all the measurements are given in the description of the product, but I didn't read it carefully. So yeah, but anyway, its size is okay with me. It's like this, if you can compare. It's like 1.5 of my hand, and it comes with this cute little fur ball. What I didn't like is that the fur ball is in silver chain, and the whole bag, the work, or I don't know what you call it, everything buckle or everything is in golden. So that's what I didn't like about the bag. I am already using this bag, and it has two little pockets inside, a zip one and a normal one. So yeah, it's not that bad. In 900 bucks, like, yes, I will suggest it to one of my friends if they want to buy a bag. So yeah, you guys can check their collection. It's good. The bag collection is good. And the last thing that I got is phone selfie ring light, which I'm currently using in this video. Like, I have a little light problem because I'm shooting at night. So yep, it's helping me. Wait, I'll show you. You may see the difference. Can you see it? Its battery has gone, but 1, 2 and 3 it has. So yeah, we battery बहुत low है, otherwise बहुत सही है यार. And it was for 250 to 300 bucks, so it's pretty amazing. So I like it. And it's chargeable, the normal Android charger you get. So yeah, so that was pretty much it about the haul. I know it was a mini one, but yeah, it was my first time shopping from that website. So now if I have to rate the website on scale of 1 to 10, I will give it a 7. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment down below which one was your favorite product, and you can also leave some video requests down below. I would really love to film that, and you should leave some video requests. Also, if you like my channel, please share it with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe to it, and I would be really thankful to you. So please make sure you do it, like if you want to. I'm not forcing, or maybe I am. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.